Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to import files into Capcut. First thing you do is you just click create project. Once the project has been created, you can give a name to the project so you know which project this is, and basically you just need to click on media, and here you will be able to see this import. If you haven't yet imported anything, it's gonna be a bigger import button in the middle. You can also just find files and videos in your folders on your PC and just drag them here, so they're gonna be imported. Or you can also just click on the import button and just choose the media which you like to import and just click open, and the media is gonna be imported. And you can either just click on this plus icon and then it's gonna be put into the project, or another thing you can do is just to drag the clip here. You can drag multiple clips into Capcut. If there are clips which you would like to use multiple times, what you can do is just click on one of the spaces. If you have Pro, you're gonna have 100 gigabytes, and you just click upload, click upload media, and you're gonna choose the media, and just I'm gonna just upload it to the cloud space so I can use it anytime. So the things you've uploaded to the cloud space you can find by clicking on media, click on spaces, and click on the specific space you uploaded it to. And I'm gonna see the uploaded projects, and I could just drag them into Capcut so I don't have to search for them every time I want to use them in a project, because they are uploaded in the cloud space. Alright, so all in all, this is how to import files into Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.